selling weed, cause in the street they hold heat. So I keep good text and Tim so I don't get cold feet. Niggas is wild, thinking they can show me the feet. That's like vegetarians screaming they want beef. MCs is running they yaps, screaming they want combat. They spend more time on their ass than armchair quarterbacks. Me in the match, it's not a handicap to slaughter black. Sorry money, it ain't bragging if I'm just stating the facts. I'm feeling the beats like I was dating the track. Whip out my mic and I'll start fucking it and spitting out wax and stacks of greenbacks. Know what I mean? Black and punch your jeans at the seams if I think your team's
the
whack.
cars from the choke city with all this hip-hopness in me. Like a B-52, I'm dropping bombs with no pity on you itty bitty. Small time rhyming midgets standing on the sidelines with weak rhymes and gimmicks. Mimic the rough shit while we living. You gon' get enough, kid. So pass that splitteth. Let me smoke my mind into oblivious. Cause hard times keep me blind and hideous. Let me blend this Hawaiian with some of that stress you be buying. Start my mathematics multiplying with God alliances. Dealing with high sciences, yo. I ain't lying, the colonel should be frying this.
We be letting tickets, no, we keep it hot to down. No boy, we out to get the dough, we keep it hot to down. Don't run up on you with your show and keep it hot to down. And lace the track with the flow to keep it hot to down.
Now when I step on the scene, they show me more love than Joeski. Many niggas know me, but still I keep it low. Keep flossing in the newest ish, banging that sewage ish. All chromed out with your honey on my crew and shit. Live just like hard copy, your shit is all poppy and all sloppy. So don't you even try to stop me. I'm in the house, son like Debbie Allen, born wildin'. Take out your whole player hater staff freestyling.
Changing forces, metamorphosis, cop extortionists. Black kid getting you lost with this spit out. We buck without. I got peeps I blast with in all the counties and the P-Naps to fit out with mad thick and gigantic. Do psychosomatic, Buddha black, they Asiatic. Planted the seed, blessed with blends of weed. Dropping the bomb, giving it what it needs.
So what the deal, get-go? So you know how the shit go. You knew you never had a fucking chance from the get-go. I moved this shit so you find it hard to plan that shit. On the low, slicker than a drug transaction. That's why your honey size me, analyze me, fantasize me. Want me in the sheets like the Isleys, but that don't surprise me. I get that all the time. But when it come to rhymes, I tell them all to fall in line. What?
We letting niggas know we keep it hot to down. Don't worry, we out to get the dough, we keep it hot to down. Don't run up on you with your show, we keep it hot to down. And lace the track with the flow to keep it hot to down. Yo, we be letting niggas know we keep it hot to down. Don't worry, we out to get the dough, we keep it hot to down. Don't run up on you with your show, we keep it hot to down. And lace the track with the flow to keep it hot to down.